Alright, what's next on my list? Pickle Doritos, huh? Alright. Probably be in the chips aisle. Hey, wait a minute, who's that guy?
I sense darkness in your heart. Therefore, I must destroy it right here, right now.
Wait, what?
Mind Crush!
Holy shit! That man just got struck down by some dude with crazy hair. Someone call an ambulance.
Good evening and welcome to Fox 61. I'm Henry Jameson. We currently have a developing story taking place at the Walmart located in Hartford, where a brutal attack against a shopper just took place. People report that a male individual around his late 20s to early 30s, wearing a necklace with a pyramid pendant and an absurd hairstyle, used some kind of voodoo witchcraft on the victim. Yes, you heard that right. The assailant reportedly used voodoo witchcraft. As stupid and ridiculous as it sounds, that's what the reports say. Never in my 35 years of being a news anchor have I heard of such a story. But back on track. The victim is currently in critical condition and remains unconscious at this time. Police are asking everyone to remain vigilant for the rest of the day.
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Hartford Police Department. Over the past 15 minutes, reports of people being attacked by an unknown individual using some form of magic have been received. This individual is reported to be a male who is at least 30 years old, stands at 5 feet, 5 inches tall, weighs around 115 pounds, is wearing a necklace with a pyramid pendant, a black tank top, black khaki pants, black dress shoes and a blue cape. He also has purple eyes, with his most notable feature being his hair, which is large, spiky and has yellow and purple highlights with a black base. Police are advising all residents in Hartford to stay at home for the rest of the day. If you see this individual, call 911 immediately. Do not approach this individual as it could result in you being attacked. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this situation.
Oh dear, I think I see the man that the police are warning us about. If he spots me, then I'm done for. I must call the cops before. Wait, he has some kind of card. What is he? Oh my word, it's an actual dragon. I can't believe my eyes. He just unleashed a dragon from that card. What is this madman going to do next?
The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Hartford Police Department and the Hartford County Sheriff's Office. Residents of Hartford and surrounding areas, seek shelter immediately. A large, unidentified creature has been spotted flying in the area. This creature resembles a dragon, with 2 large wings, no arms or legs, has a serpentine-like body and a dragon-like head with a singular horn on top. This creature has been reported to shoot fireballs at the sky with its mouth, causing people to panic. It is unknown where this creature came from, but it is being speculated that the man responsible for attacking people in Hartford using magic is connected to this creature appearing. Police are asking all residents in the area to seek shelter inside a sturdy building with enough food and water to last up to 5 days. Do not approach the creature, as it could be extremely dangerous. Stay tuned for further information about this ongoing situation.
Good evening and welcome back to Fox 22 News. I'm Brian Griffin. We start off our news in Connecticut, where some strange occurrences have happened. Apparently, some guy has been going around using witchcraft on people in northern Connecticut, and on top of that, a dragon-like creature has been reported flying in Hartford. I wish I was making that up, but it's true. The Connecticut Emergency Management Agency says that at least 1,600 people have been attacked by this guy. Thankfully, they say the dragon isn't hostile, but still, Connecticut's facing something never seen before. Hopefully.
Brian, there's a crazy man that just broke into the studio. He's heading for the newsroom.
Oh no. Please don't tell me it's the magic guy. Wait. You're Seto Kaiba, the rich rival from Yu-Gi-Oh, right?
Yep, that's me. You wanna hear the truth about Connecticut? You wanna know why Yugi is doing what he's doing? Because there's something big coming. And the people he's using that witchcraft on are minions. You see, there's a demon called Zork Necrophage. He's coming here, and he plans to destroy all of New England. So, if I were you, pal, I suggest that you put your tail behind your legs and get out while you still can before you get vaporized.
Well, that explains a lot. Hold up. Did you just say what I think you said? Oh dear God. If what you're saying is true, then someone needs to warn all of New England. Oh man. This is bad. This is very bad.
Look out! A giant monster just rose from the river. We have to go now!
So you showed up after all, huh, Zork? Do you really think I'm gonna let you wreak havoc in New England? Spare me your lecture, Pharoh. I will do as I please. Get out of the way or die. It's not the first time I defeated you, Zork. And it most certainly won't be the last. But you don't have the power of friendship with you this time, Pharoh. It does not matter. All of New England will be destroyed either way. I may not have the power of friendship, but I most certainly do have the power of determination. So, without further ado, it's time to duel!
Civil danger for the states of Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut and Rhode Island. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Around 5 minutes ago, a demonic entity appeared in Hartford, Connecticut. This entity, identified as Zert Necrophagus, is attacking everyone in sight. It has been reported that black meteors of various sizes are falling from the sky across New England and has caused massive amounts of damage. The sky has also become a violet color in New England, which is causing scalding hot rain to fall. Both phenomena have been confirmed to be caused by Zert. In addition, the man that has been attacking people in Hartford, now identified as Evie, otherwise known as the Pharoh, is currently fighting Zert, using monsters summoned from the deck of cards. FEMA is advising everyone in New England to seek shelter in a study building with at least 14 cents worth of essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, a cell phone, a phone charger and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Do not go outside, as it could result in certain death. Stay tuned for further updates regarding this catastrophic event. An administrative message for the states of Maine, Vermont, New Hampshire, Massachusetts, Connecticut and Rhode Island. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Zerk has been successfully neutralized thanks to EAS. It is safe to leave your shelters. Repeating, Zert Necrophagus has been defeated. Normal programming may now resume.
Good morning. Welcome to WCNC News. I'm Ralph Crown. Today's top story comes from Connecticut, where some wild supernatural event nearly destroyed the state along with the rest of New England. Yesterday, a man named Yugi began attacking people in Hartford. It was later revealed that the people he attacked had been influenced by a demon known as Zork Necrophades. Zork himself then appeared a couple hours later and fought Yugi, but ended up being defeated. At least 50,000 people were injured and 30,000 people tragically died. Cost of damages is expected to be at least $100 million. All I have to say is, wow. Just wow. To think that something like this could happen. In other news, a local Charlotte man has been arrested for armed robbery this morning following a... Wait, hold on. We're getting word that an emergency alert system message is about to be transmitted. What kind of alert is this?
Greetings, citizens of America. I am Anubis, the Egyptian god of death. It has come to my attention that this nation is long overdue for a reckoning. And I have come to deliver that reckoning. You think that you can survive? Then you're wrong. Prepare yourselves. I'm coming to destroy the so-called Grey Nation. Prepare yourselves for the end of your civilization.
Oh hell no, not this magic crap again. Damn it. I don't like where this is going at all. If you were just tuning in, a hijacked alert just got transmitted across the nation, and I fear that someone powerful is coming to attack us. I suggest you prepare for the worst. This is Ralph Crown signing off for now.
It appears that Sork had already done a bit of damage here. Looks like he didn't finish the job, though. It's a good thing I've come. Alright, America. Let's see how you hold up against the power of the Shadow Games.
Hey man, have you come to rescue us?
Unfortunately for you, no. I am here to do the exact opposite. I am going to destroy you. Then I will destroy the rest of this country.
We interrupt your regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow. This is an emergency action notification. All cable and radio stations have interrupted regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. This is Fox 22. We will continue to serve the Bangor, Maine area. If you are not in this area, tune to a station serving your area. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. A national emergency has been declared. At 11:35 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, a portal appeared in Bangor, Maine. Shortly after, a tall, muscular individual came out of the portal and summoned multiple monsters, resembling sphinxes and dragons, which have begun attacking every state, including Alaska and Hawaii. The individual's name is Anubis. Anubis is a white male, and known age, a little over 6 feet tall, and unknown weight. He is completely shirtless, but wears a necklace with a blue pyramid pendant, black cape with large spikes around the collar, black pants with tassets and black boots. He has dirty blonde hair and red eyes. Anubis has stated that he will destroy the United States in order to purify it. The United States government is urging all residents in the United States to seek shelter in a sturdy building, preferably with little to no windows, with at least 60 days worth of essential supplies such as non-perishable food, water, clothing, medical supplies, a first aid kit, toiletries, a cell phone, a phone charger, and a battery-powered or hand-cranked radio. Do not approach the creatures as it could result in certain death. Repeating, a dangerous individual called Anubis is attacking the nation with an army of monsters. Stay tuned for further updates as this horrifying situation develops.
Oh, this is just great! The one time I don't have my blue eyes shining dragon! Seriously, driver? You're not wondering how Anubis got here, really? Well, sorry for having my priorities straight. So, Pharoh, have you and your subordinate come to battle me in a shadow game again? Oh, shut the hell up, you muscle-bound maniac. I am not a subordinate! Okay, but seriously, Pharoh, do you really think that you can come here to America and destroy it as you please? Oh, I don't think so, Anubis. Your reign of terror ends now! Have it your way, Pharoh. I summon Andro Sphinx in attack mode. Oh, if this dude's gonna be like last time, then this is gonna be a cakewalk. Hello, Yugi? You
you forgot that the blue-eyed shining dragon had a major role in this. Oh, stop being such a negative ninny already, Kaiba. I summon Sorcerer of Dark Magic! Wait a minute, Yugi, I thought you were supposed to screw the rules, Kaiba. We have a nation to save. Well, in that case, I summon the Blue-Eyed Ultimate Dragon!
And so the ultimate duel begins again.
Alright, Anubis, it's time to duel! Just why don't you let me mooch on Blastus 4 already? Alright, fine. Let's do this.
Alright, Angel Sphinx, destroy the Sorcerer of Dark Magic!
Nice going, Yugi. You just got your monster destroyed. But why don't you just destroy that Sphinx of your dragon already? Fine. Attack with Neutron Blast!
Foolish for both of you. We're only just getting started.
Oh, good. 'Cause I got plenty of tricks up my sleeve, Anubis.
All clear. Repeating, all clear. The following message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. Anubis has vanished after being beaten by two individuals named Yuji and Kaibu. In addition, all monsters attacking the nation have also vanished. It is now safe to go outside and go on with your daily life. If your home was destroyed or damaged, call 911. Repeating, Anubis and the monsters attacking the nation have vanished and it is safe to exit your shelter. The government thanks you for your cooperation during this emergency. Normal programming may now resume.